Zach, what do you think, man? Avalanche and Amazon, big news. We're going to get into that, but how are you, sir?
Great, man. We knew Amazon was going to partner with somebody, and Avalanche gets a huge boost, up 20+% here after the news. And I was just reading their Medium article. Man, what they're going to do for AWS and integrating blockchain technology. It's crazy. Avalanche was up over $100. I know you know this because you were in it in 2021.
Yep.
So you're looking at the price right now. I mean, it's at $15, even up, 20%. Still a great opportunity. I mean, this is why you diversify out, right? That's why you have a basket of all these top layer ones and these top 100s, because you just never know when you're going to get big news like this. There's going to be
this one came out of left field. Yeah, I mean, I don't think nobody was expecting, that. I mean, I'm not dissing Avalanche in this statement. Nobody expected Avalanche to get the nod.
100%. And there will be other things like this too that come out of nowhere. And it's like, for instance, Walmart partnering with Polygon or what have you. And it's like, oh, wait, I own some Polygon. That's cool.
Yep.
Right. Yep. And so diversify out. And this is why I own like 30 of the top 100 cryptos, because they're not all going to be winners, but a few of them that are winners, they're going to bode well for the future, for your future portfolio.
Yeah, and I think 2 points I want to make, and I want your opinion. Number one, I think that this is beyond a shadow of a doubt one of the biggest green check in the box. Blockchain is here to stay. Blockchain is real. We've all heard the talking heads and kind of some mainstream media saying it's dead. Crypto is dead. I want your opinion on that. And then secondly, you mentioned Walmart, right? I think you're going to start to see now with Amazon go, and you got companies going, oh, okay, Amazon just did that thing. Now we're Walmart, we're XYZ. So give me your 2 cents and then we'll wrap it up.
Blockchain is here to stay. There's no question. We're already using it in a multitude of ways. The big companies know that they can streamline their, process better using blockchain. With Walmart, there was a bunch of rumors 2 years ago that they were going to partner with AMP. AMP came under fire with the SEC, but there will be another company, and these massive companies will utilize blockchain. Keep an eye on VeChain as well. VeChain's one to watch in the supply chain.
They've been doing it forever. So we're going to end on that note. Yeah, blockchain's here to stay. More big companies will get into this. Just because Amazon did this, that's going to happen. So if you're interested in learning more about Clear, links in the description below. Check them out. Their charts pumping. It's a good thing right now. Clear's got some big stuff coming. We'll see you. Have a good one. Bye.